joined today by Jean-Paul van Marren from BTU. Welcome, Jean-Paul. Nice to see you again.
Great to see you again, Trevor.
Yeah. Now, you're launching here today the Tritan tri-speed system, which effectively is doubling the throughput on these.
It's even more than that. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, can we talk a little bit about how you're doing it? You're doing it with a three-stage conveyor. Maybe you can explain
Absolutely.
some of the.
Absolutely. As you know, the market is really looking for lower cost per watt. So the best way to do that is increase your throughput. So what we've done is we've gone from single lane to dual lane. So now you can process, instead of 1,500 wafers an hour, 3,600 wafers an hour. That improves your capital efficiency by 35%.
Right.
So you get 35% more throughput for your dollar than you do in single lane. So that's a significant financial improvement for the manufacturer.
Right.
And then your cost per wafer decreases by well over 10%. So that is also direct money in your pocket as a manufacturer. It's a great way to become more efficient and get lower cost product.
Right.
So what's unique about the Tritan, in addition to its economic benefit, is that it has its tri-speed system. That's our patented system. So you can decouple the three things that the firing furnace has to do. You dry, you fire, and you cool down. And the Tritan allows that completely decoupled. So you can optimize each independently. And so you can fire at the highest speeds that you could wish for.
Right.
And not compromise the drying process that precedes it and the cooling process that follows it. And what most people have to do is, on one belt, one speed, they have to run it as fast as possible because the firing process dictates that. And the price to pay is they don't have a good drying or cool down process. They give a hot wafer back to the tester that comes next.
Right.
So we've separated this two, and that allows customers to optimize their process even further and get higher efficiency, because the temperature spike that is done in the firing section is now so tight that it's below 3 seconds, well below 3 seconds, and that gives you the higher efficiency.
Right. Okay, so effectively the furnace is no longer the roadblock in the.
It is not, no, yeah, neither in throughput nor in efficiency, yeah,
Right,
that's right.
That's very interesting. So now these systems are, have you got them installed yet? Or
Yes,
you
yes.
got some actually in the field?
We have them at multiple customers in Asia and in Europe. The first sets that were installed last year have now processed well over 10 million wafers. So we have real production results on this. We know that the tools stand up to the rigors of and the challenges that high volume manufacturing bring to you.
Yeah.
So we're very, very comfortable with this tool in the market now. And the customers, we have done another follow-on order that we installed earlier this year for one of the customers that bought the first sets.
Right.
And they're very, very pleased with the way they came up and the way they're running now.
So they must be if they're reordering more.
Yes, that's always the best sign, right? So
yeah.
we're very happy with that.
So just very quickly, the show here this week in Hamburg been a success for you?
Yeah, it's there's definitely strong interest in something new.
Right.
You know, it's a quiet time on the expansion side. That means the engineers have time. The customers are looking at what am I going to do next to give me another step change in the cost per watt. So that's what people are looking for here. Can you give me a better efficiency? Can you give me a lower cost? Can you do both?
Right.
And those things get a lot of interest. So those are not going to be huge orders. They're going to be first placements of the latest generation equipment.
Right.
And that's what's driving the market and the interest of customers right now.
Great. Okay. Well, we hope we wish you obviously continued success with the Tritan and the other systems, and nice to see you again.
Yeah, it's great to see you, Trevor, and thanks for stopping by.
Thank you.
Take care.
Trevor Galbraith reporting from the BTU stand here in Hamburg.